Can't sleep without counting sheep? How to cure insomnia forever by healthissuesfix.com. One day of poor sleep can have a domino effect on your entire week if not properly addressed. Hormones, muscle growth, metabolism, digestion, immune system function, and quieting of the mind all perform best in our sleep. Studies suggest more than 9 hours a night is linked to an increased risk of heart disease, thinking problems, and premature death. But people who sleep less than 6 hours were 33% more likely to be obese and eat more junk food. A recent study shows that eating 2 kiwi fruit every day before bed improves the quality of your sleep by 40% and allows you to fall asleep up to 35% quicker. According to a 2011 study, room light was proved to have a profound suppressive effect on melatonin levels and shortens the body's internal representation of night duration. Researchers also found that sleeping for several hours in darkness promotes healthy blood levels of the hormone melatonin. Another recent study has shown that wearing socks to bed actually reduces night waking. By coming out of sleep naturally, i.e., waking up to light, we learn to help our body get off to a more calm start to a significantly more energized day, which primes us for sleep the following night. Waking up at the same time each day is the best way to set your internal clock. The appearance of blue light cues the body to wake up by tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime. So get off that cell phone, turn off the TV, grab a book, and get some sleep. When it comes to getting a good night's sleep, get your intense exercise in the late afternoon or early evening. To be fair, you can do it in the morning too, as exercise at any time is better than not exercising. Remember, health by choice, not by chance. Learn more at healthissuesfix.com.